Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we'll learn about identifying the place value of a digit. In the last video we talked about how to model whole numbers. By looking at money and base 10 blocks, we saw that each place in a number has a different value. A place value chart is a useful way to summarize this information. In this video we'll talk about this place value of a digit. The place values are separated into groups of three, called periods. The periods are ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, and so on. In a written number, we use commas to separate the periods. If you remember, just as with the 10 blocks, where the value of 10's rod is 10 times the value of the ones block, and the value of the hundreds square is 10 times the 10's rod. The value of each place value in the place value chart is 10 times the value of the place to the right of it. If you look at here, we can see that these ones, tens, and hundreds are making the period ones. Thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s are making the period thousands. The millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions are making the period millions. Billion, 10 billions, and 100 billions are making the period billions. So this is how the place value chart works. Now let's look at an example over here. We want to see how the number 5,278,194 is written in a place value chart. So we'll start with this right hand digit 4. So we'll just place it over here. And then we'll place 9 to the left of it, and then we'll place 1, and then we'll place 8, then we'll place 7, and then we'll place 2, and then we'll place 5. This is how we put the number in the place value chart. We start from the very right hand and then fill up from right to the left. Now we can see that the digit 5 is in the millions place value. The digit 2 is in the 100,000s place. The digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. The digit 8 is in the thousands place. The digit 1 is in the hundreds place. And the digit 9 is in the tens place. And the digit 4 is in the ones place. Now let's break it down. Since the digit 5 is in the millions place, its value is 5 millions. The digit 2 is in the 100,000s place, its value is 200,000. The digit 7 is in the 10,000s place, its value is 70,000. The digit 8 is in the thousands place, its value is 8,000. The digit 1 is in the hundreds place, so its value is 100. The digit 9 is in the tens place, its value is 90. And the digit 4 is in the ones place, its value is 4. Now if you sum up these, if you just add all of these, we'll just get 4, 9, 1, 8, 7, 2, 5. And again we use the comma to separate the periods. This is how we identify the place value of a digit. We use this chart to place the numbers and then identify where each digit fits in the place value. Let's look at this example over here. The problem says in the number 63407,218, find the place value of each of the following digits. So we have to identify the place value of each of the digits. Now how do you do that? So first we'll just write down the place value chart that we just saw earlier. So we'll just put our place value chart over here, and we'll just write down this number starting from the right end. So we'll just start with 8, 1, 2, 7, 0, 4, 3, and 6. So once we write down this number, then we'll see where does each number fits here. So we'll start with 7. So you can see that 7 is in the thousands place. So that's where 7 lies. So this would be thousands. 0 lies in the 10,000s place over here. So we'll just write down 10,000s. Let's look at 1. Where does 1 fit within this place value? So 1 lies over here, which is tens place value. So it's tens. Now let's look at 6 over here. 6 lies over here, which is 10 millions plus. So that's 10 millions. Our last digit is 3, and 3 lies over here, which is in the millions place value. So this is millions. This is how we write the place value of each of the digits. So we write the number in a place value chart, and we start at the right, and then we identify where each digit fits in the place value chart. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions on anything, please feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.